Well, if that ain't a reason to stop cutting, I don't know what is. On a red flag day too.
Yeah.
That means 30-mile-an-hour winds. That's what I'm saying. If you park over there, the fire starts, takes your.
I
Yeah.
didn't really know.
You always got to be aware of the wind. But
I just saw that fire. was
right,
coming down
yeah.
here, and then I realized I didn't even have a.
You don't have a fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Behind that seat, is there one? What is that? 620? No, there's not one.
500 there is. That one has one.
We got fire. Yeah, so there's no dirt. That disc needs to be ran, disc of spotted dirt, so we can have a place to go. Otherwise, where am I going if this thing lights on fire? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
There's no dirt.
It's got to be somewhere in the desert.
It dropped out of somewhere.
That's all the.
Yeah, it probably is because it's a McDonald's and they're pieces of shit and they burn. So the bearings, I can smell it right here maybe. Did you hit this bearing with anything? No. There's oil. I mean, this thing's leaking a little bit of oil, but that's not it. Well, it fails these bearings on the header. That's what caused our fire last year. Well, this ain't the day to have a fire, I'll tell you right now. I'm dropping fire, dude. It's dropping fire. There's this lit up and they put it out, that's fire. And I could smell the smoke. As soon as I got out of it, I could smell smoke. Like bad.
I wonder if we get the water truck up here. I don't know if you want to try it.
He doesn't have a fire extinguisher in his tractor.
Huh?
He doesn't even have a fire extinguisher. I have two. There's one up there too, but a lot of good that does is bank outs with no fire extinguishers. So I'd
They
say,
need to get some, and even if they have to put them behind their seat if they're on
yeah,
the ground.
exactly.
No.
I don't know. 30-mile-an-hour winds. I don't even want to move this. Hey Siri, call Josh. Hey Josh, are you down there at the combines? Are you, yeah, okay. I'm dropping fire behind my combine. So can you send Stata up here with that truck, that water truck? I don't know if we're gonna have a fire when I start this, when I move it, or turn on the header again or what. But I literally dropped fireballs behind my, so. Literally dropping fire. We started a fire but put it out really fast. So I'm worried. It's 30-mile-an-hour winds, man. So I don't know. So I think bring the water truck up here, but I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's why we're all around up here. Okay, yeah. So we need, you should come up here. Okay.
Do you turn with your brakes or anything?
Huh?
Do you turn with your
No.
brakes? Okay.
No.
Okay.
It wouldn't have been the
That
brakes.
happened last year with Harley,
Oh.
and that started a big fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I saw those big pads underneath. That's not what I was doing.
Okay.
It smelled hot since I started driving it though, the first lap, because it's a tailwind. Like when I'm going this way, I can smell it. But then you turn around.
Where did it drop the fire from?
Right here. Oh, he saw smoke at the header. He saw my header was smoking, I shut it down, stopped, and this happened.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, you did?
What?
Oh, Josh.
Yeah, I just did. Told him to bring this water truck up here.
Yeah, because when you're on the other side, you can really smell it right now.
I know, it freaked me the f out, that's what I'm saying.
I couldn't smell on this side, but once I got on the other side, oh.
Yeah, I know, that's when I jumped in my cab. I was like, don't everybody freak out, but I got a fire.
Right, that's why I tripped out.
That's not
deadheaded and make sure
yeah.
that these guys are active.
Right.
Nobody can hear me apparently on the radio.
No, your radio's garbage. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
So bad.
Yeah.
Pop these doors open.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm gonna crawl up on top.
Yeah, we did. I didn't see anything up there, but
Like in the engine.
yeah, we already went up there, but I didn't see anything. You could really smell it when you open that door right here.
I wonder if Jesus. I'm glad you seen that, because that could have been really.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't even fucking know
He
where the
said,
hell you were at.
oh, it smells like smoke right here, dude. There, is that smoke? Yeah, over here. We got smoke on the other side of the combine. Lift up that side door. It's the other side. I think that's smoke, that's not dust. Right here, straight across from me.
Right, oh yeah, right in the fucking. It's right in your fucking your unloading lock. How full are you?
Oh, didn't cut again.
You just dumped it in.
Yeah, I don't.
That was smoke.
Well, I
and
don't
then
sit
black.
here.
All right, so this is what happened at Chapman's.
I mean, you could dump it, dude. It's fine. I emptied into you. I mean, there's gonna be some because I don't run it empty. I just get
But
it
all
most of the
around
way.
that trim, from where it's falling on, is fucking black and smoking.
Yeah, up on the other side,
Right
I can
there,
see
you
the
can
smoke.
see right there is smoke
Yeah.
or black.
All right. Someone needs to go up to the bolt tank and squirt water down.
Oh yeah, is that smoke coming out of there? Or no,
Yeah,
it's
I know
dust.
exactly what it is. It just happened at Chapman's.
And of course, 30-mile-an-hour red flag day.
Right.
Yeah.
So I told your dad, I said, I don't give a shit about Sunday. Let's cut Sunday.
Where at to dump the water?
It's right at the green, at the auger.
Where it goes down?
The auger.
Hey,
Where the auger goes down.
I know you
Where
did.
the unloading auger.
Can you send me that video again? Or
I don't know. There's a port on the side.
Us.
Oh,
All right,
fuck.
Josh, I gotta look at it. Right. It goes on Snapchat.
Was that Josh that did that?
Yeah, I think so. I saw him walking.
All right, thank you.
Whoa.
Well, right here is when you said you could smell it on this side, it was
Yeah.
right up here. That's all black
there's,
stuff.
there's rivets up there, and there's a bearing and rivets up there, and what happens is they get wore out, and so metal to plastic, what happens, right?
Yeah, it definitely smells like burnt.
No, it's
How'd it get burnt on the outside? Or would it lit up or something? 'Cause it's not that hot.
No, it was
so.
But that's all burned. It smells burnt too.
fucking. What's that?
That's what happened to Chapman's, and that's about the same spot. There's little rivets in here.
But this was all smoking and black through here on
But
the
it could be
outside.
that.
And just where the
it
fire
could be
dropped
the, gearbox though too.
But once he opened and dumped a little bit of wheat, there was nothing black, burnt, and that. But just when he smelled it, we come and open this side up. This was smoking right out here.
Yeah, I could see the smoke. I lifted up the doors on the other side, got up. I
And
could see the
that
smoke
little
coming along the top.
Piece back over there somewhere, he put flames out.
Yeah,
smoke
right.
out.
Right behind me. You can't see it now. It's behind her truck. Yeah. Yeah, I saw Ben coming up with a water bottle. I'm like, what's he doing? Going to put out that, but he parked his tractor right downwind from this thing. I'm like, go move your tractor the out of there. I just picture this lighting on fire.
Yeah, your radio and your combine's not working. Nobody can hear me.
Yeah, I can't hear
once
shit
I heard
saying.
that, I'm trying to get over to Levi and fucking. I didn't know that Ben was down here, but I think, get that out of the field because we got a fire. It's
Like I was like 40
right that
yards.
direction.
I was like 40 yards from him and I couldn't hear his radio.
And every time I holler to anybody, nobody respond back.
I have my squelch as much as I can to the.
Mine down.
to the noise.
I thought it was taking it down.
My auger's running.
Were you unloading when it started?
Well, it was right after that, but I've been smelling something hot since I've started. But like hot, not burning, but hot.
I'll let it run.
It's a fire team right here. That's how you know something's up with your tractor. Shut the whole thing up.
Shut it all the way off, Trevor.
3 people telling me. Where's the more fire extinguishers at? Like empty ones. Up in there. Are there a bunch in Grant's shop still? Remember we moved all those ones upstairs, Jamie?
Should be.
A ton of them,
There
right?
should still be some outside unless we moved them.
Oh.
Pressurized with water and everything.
Yeah, because Ben needs one.
I need one.
You need. Everybody needs one. This has 2, so I'm good.
I think he just smells up there because that's where the smoke is on.
Somebody's got to go in the shop.
Well, your box wasn't hot. You felt that way. His gearbox didn't get hot.
Well, no, someone's still.
Was the chain not touching the ground or what?
No, it's not touching the ground. The chain.
Oh, it needed to. I'm not grounded. That doesn't help. Go get that.
Have what it just looked like.
He says Josh says he's got some. Josh says he's got some. They're either on his truck or at the shop for
We
this.
need to get it on because I
Yeah.
don't even think I got one.
I don't think you got one either.
Are you serious? You got one. It's just about that much. Not even touching the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, that might help. That might help. I just didn't.
I don't even have chain on my combine.
It was
yours
wrapped.
good then.
It was wrapped around.
Now, whatever he did, he
Yeah. My dad said go test it out in the downwind side of the field so we don't burn. I was there, if that, go start it down here. We'll burn ours and that next door. They'd be happy.
Oh, no, I don't need anything on my pickup.
Thought you just got electrocuted there, Josh.
I need something on my pickup.
That's still a long ways to go from here to up there. Yeah.
Well, with the tailwind being what it is,
Yeah.
well, it could blow an ember.
Why don't you go and look around the exhaust real good and see if there's any burnt stuff.
No, the turbos look, there's nothing around the turbos. Fucking nothing around the exhaust. Why does it gotta be my combine?
Yeah, it does smell like it's smoking.
Because in moments they're gonna tell me, go ahead and run it and see what happens.
Don't even think about how windy it is.
I know. Fire wouldn't just stand there. That's what
Yeah, it would take
it hit to Prescott. It would make Prescott. Well, that's just it. Ford already cut all their wheat, so there's no standing wheat past Irwin's right here. This year they might want it to burn. I don't know. They can't prove their average if it burns, though. Or they can't prove how much is there. That's why it's good when bank out drivers pay attention.
From here back up, yeah, it looks kind of hazy. I don't know.
The wind's not going to help you pinpoint anything.
I can smell it right here too. Right, it's the best is when you can't figure out what it was. We don't know what the fire what happened, what it was that started the fire yet, so we got to start another one to find out where its car
Maybe I should
started.
turn the hose back on and just let it run under it. But if anybody has to crawl around under it, then
Yeah, I know, yeah. I was wondering what the hell.
I shut it off.
Yeah. It's not a good sign when you can't figure out what the hell it come from.
Right. I'm just glad I looked back to see that after you pulled it away.
Yeah, thank God, dude. That's why bank out drivers got to be looking at the combines all the time, because I can't see it.
I didn't see anything until like it looked like smoke came out of your head when you pulled away.
Probably was smoke.
And once you got up here, I came out to check it. That was it.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's ideal is that the combine drivers catch it, because I mean I can smell it, but that's it. And that wasn't the smelling burnt; it just smelled hot. The others, but when I got out and was on the other side, like yeah, that smelled burning. That wasn't hot; that's burning. Yeah, that's good. We burnt the combine up with because Bill Groom was in